In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily insert a SIM card into the iPhone 15 series. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up that SIM card slot located at the left edge of your iPhone 15 series. Your iPhone and your SIM card come with that tool, and we need to use it to open up that SIM card slot. You need just to push that tool into this hole in that way until it opens up. Then we need to eject it. After that, we need to place Nano SIM card with this metal contacts faced up, and then we just need to insert it in SIM card slot in this way. Push it in, and then after a couple of seconds a signal will appear here. Hit at OK, and basically, guys, that's it. If this video helps you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.